Welcome back to yet another mystery drawing. Make sure you grab a pencil, grab a paper, and some things to color with, and we are going to get started. As always, for our mystery drawing, make sure you start in the middle of your page and you draw about medium size so that you have plenty of room. Draw with the pencil, but I'm going to be showing you today with my Sharpie so that you can see it better. All right. As always, we don't know what we're drawing. We're just going step by step together. Today, we're starting with the letter F. Remember, you can pause the video and take your time. All right, we're gonna start at the top of the F and go to where they meet in the middle, where they cross. Kind of a curved line. We're going to kind of do the same. We're going to come from this point and go here with a bit of a curve. This mystery is maybe a little harder to solve today than some of our other ones. Now we're going to add a circle in kind of this section of our F. Okay, and then I'm going off of this side. Watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to go kind of nice and big. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Going back up, not all the way to the top of our F, but kind of over here. I'm going to do another curved line, almost like it's mimicking that F start of my F shape. And then these are kind of all separate right now, so I'm going to connect them together. Watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to start kind of in the middle here. And come there. Come over here and connect to the bottom. Okay. Then I'm going to do 2 lines, just vertical lines going up and down. Like that. And then I'm going to kind of do something similar to what I did here. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. I'm going to add some little half circles down at the bottom. And finally, some last details. Add my circle inside. Something like that. All right, and we made a funny little bird. All right, so as always, once we finish our mystery drawing, we need to show where that little birdie is and what he's doing. Okay, I think mine is going to be eating. This one, it's not very dark. There we go. And so I'm thinking of a worm, but then, I don't know, I want to make it a little more fun. So what if the worm didn't want to get eaten? And so he's offering him, let me see here. How would a worm hold up a little plate? He's offering him an alternative. He says, don't eat me instead. Try this. Little worm guy. He's maybe offering him a cupcake. This tastes better than me. All right, I'm gonna finish this fun little picture off. You decide what your little birdie is doing and have fun.